Hello, my name is Elizabeth Ingero and I am going to show you in under 2 minutes how to open up a Premiere Pro file and import your video and audio files into it. Okay, let's get the timer on and then we will begin. So the first things first is we're going to have to actually get into Premiere Pro. So wherever you keep that, using the docs for Mac, you can open that up and get that straight up. Depending on how quick or slow your computer is, then that will take you either a little bit or really quickly. Then what you want to do is you want to open new project. Click on new project, call it whatever you want. I'll put that YouTube tutorial 2, okay, because I think I've already got a tutorial 1. Choose where you want that to be saved and then you can just accept the rest of the presets there, which is great. So what you're looking to do is you're looking to go to this bottom left hand corner and it says import start there. So you want to get to this bit there, you want to right click, click on import and then just choose whichever file or folder you want to get your clips from. I'm going to choose this. If you want to just tick one thing, get that and then you can import it. If you want more than one, you can highlight all or press shift and click several. Import, done. Bob's your uncle, one way to import, and I've got 52 seconds left, so I'll show you 2 other ways to do it. The other way to do it is to actually get a folder or a file. Just open up a file on your computer like this, go to wherever you want the items to come in from, hold them, so click, hold and pull it across, drag and just let go and it will put that in there for you. So that's another way. The third way to do it is to go to your file here, find, I've got 25 seconds left, file, oh, you have to click on the screen to make it Premiere Pro. You go to file, you go to import, you go to whichever file you want to import and then you click import. There you go. I've shown you 3 ways to do it with 8 seconds left. And now what I will be doing is I'm going to go into more detail now to actually show you how to do this again, but in a more paced way of doing it. And the reason why I'm doing that is because sometimes you click on a video and you just really want to get the information. So I've done that. I'll have my 2 minutes right at the start to actually show you what you need to do, how you need to do it, so you can move on and practice it. But for this section here, I'll be doing it in a slower pace and showing you how to do what I've just done in under 2 minutes. Right, this is where we need to begin. I'm going to delete all of this by highlighting it. Let's cancel that. By highlighting right there and backspacing to delete. And then we're just going to start the whole process again. As I'm talking here, just remember to click on that red button to subscribe to this channel. It's really useful. Liking it is also good, and leave a comment below if you have any questions about what I've just covered and what I'm going to cover. So here we go. It does say at the bottom here, import import media to start. So you can see that. And then you can just right click on your mouse, click on import and click on whichever file you want and just click the import button there. There you go. Now you've got your first file in there that you can start working on. We're going to do it the second way as well, which is to go to file, or third way, depending on whichever way you want to put it. Make sure that Premiere Pro is clicked. Go to file, click on import, and then again pick whichever file. This time I'm going to do an audio file for you, just so that you see that it works both with media and with audio. So there we go. I've clicked an audio file and I've imported it and it's just dropped into there. And then the third way, you need to open up a file or a folder and then you'll be able to get that information there. Now, to be able to open up a folder for myself, I've got to move this out of the way, unfortunately. Let me just double click on that, put it to the other screen, put this back up here so that you can see it. And then bring this back for you to see it. So I'm just going to click on, let's go for an audio file or video file again. Let's go video file and I will click on Here we go. That looks like a nice clip. Click on it, hold it down with your left click, take it and drop it. And there it is right there. It just puts it in there for you. So those are 3 ways for you to be able to import a file, and that's really what you need to do to get started, to actually start working on the files, you know, whether it's changing the color of it, cutting it so that you only get the bits that you need, taking away the audio, and I'm going to be looking at all that stuff in the tutorials to follow. So hopefully this has been useful for you. Once again, don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Don't forget to like, share, and put your comments below. If you have any other secret hacks or twists or ways of doing things, then also share that in, because the best people that you can learn from is each other. So thank you very much for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.